Oh, wow, look. Can y'all see that? I'm so excited. I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. Today we are going to go ahead and pull up some of those potatoes out the bag. And I might try to get some out of the garden bed too. So if you're interested in seeing me harvest some potatoes, then stick around and stay tuned. All right, y'all. Let me pull this bag of potatoes from out of here. It's just a 5-pound bag. You can see. Might not be nothing in here. Ain't nothing come up with this. Oh, what's some in here? I'm gonna let y'all see. Okay, I'm gonna sit y'all on the edge of this. And where's my little cup thing? Y'all know I don't like no worms, so we just go. That's the seed potato, I guess. I don't know. That ain't the seed potato. That one gone bad. Too much water. Right in there. More than I got last year. Hmm. They didn't clean. Y'all see that? Okay. Look, another one that's bad. That's two. Now all I'm gonna do with this is put some more fertilizer in it and put some more potatoes in it. Bag, put it back in the ground. So y'all see that? This is what I got. So it's probably about maybe a pound or two, pound and a half, not much. But I put 2 potatoes in that little teeny little 5-pound bag, so I'm not gonna complain. So let's go over here. I'm not little tail scared. And I don't know if I want to pull these up yet. Look at that, y'all. That I'm going to cut all of that back with my weed eater. It's too much. So I'm gonna find something to sit y'all on. I'm just gonna use this wheelbarrow. That's it, y'all on it. Alright. took 3 of them out of here yesterday. Oh, wow, look. Can y'all see that? I'm so excited. But some of them green. The green ones I'm going to leave and let them reseed. Like, this one started growing chips again. But you can grow, and that was green too. But you can grow potatoes from the little teeny ones. I like the prettiest, but it'll do. I ain't gonna pull up the ones that don't look like they're ready. I need to get my little small thing. My bad nerves. Oh, it's a bunch in here. Oh, look at that jumping worm. Come on, worm. Come on. Oh, there's a bunch of them right here. I don't need to throw it all the way back there. Y'all are scared gardeners. We garden out here scared. We doing it anyway. I think it's all I'm gonna get for now. Because I don't want all the potatoes at once. Maybe I do this one. And it's a green bean that done belong here from somewhere. Now this red potatoes. They not as big. The blue ones over to the side. See down these little ones. But still eat them. I should have left them in there a little longer. But it is what it is. I don't know if you can put them back. Let's see what this is. A bunch of little itty bitty ones and a bunch of little worms. The little small ones could be in some green beans. This was still real gray and I should have left that in there. So whole bunch of little baby ones. I'm gonna leave them on the other side. And I'm gonna replant these little itty bitty ones. I was gonna replant this, but I'm not. It's just cheated. It's still good. I'm gonna take it. So that's what we got. This one's this green is gonna go back in the ground. They can make new potatoes. These little small ones. I'm gonna put them in this little barrel. All right. So that's it for that. We'll come back and amend this later at another date. I'm gonna let the rest of them stay in there. And compost in place. That's the second half. They need to be pulled up. They probably little, I don't know. But there was the third ones. I got these two. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna turn you around. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.